Sales funnels with ONPASSIVE guaranteed results. Hi, my name is Rhonda. I am happy to your host for this video. Let's get started. Sales funnels have been used by successful internet marketers since nearly the beginning of the internet, and as a result, many businesses have been set up around the concept of providing sales funnels. Some provide capture pages, some provide the automated follow-up, and some provide both. However, let's look at it from the standpoint of a new person who is just trying to get started in the internet marketing business. Step 1. Here you are looking for a program to build a long-lasting residual income with. There are so many that claim to fit that bill, but how can you really know which is the right one? When you finally do find one that you believe is the one to go with, you've got to spend money. That only makes sense, right? Step 2. Now you have to set up your sales funnel. Again, you've got to spend money. Yeah, that makes sense. But now you also have to create beautiful, compelling capture pages. Write a series of compelling follow-up messages to have people actually take the time to check out your program that you are promoting. Step 3. And now comes the ever-daunting task of getting more and more eyes to eagerly look at your capture pages and enter their name and email. There are so incredibly many traffic-generating programs that are all busy trying to grow their advertising list. It's actually funny to watch. But who is really actually making real money? Hardly anybody, and that's why so many give up trying. Is it any wonder that there is a failure rate of 99%? We truly needed a better way. Introducing ONPASSIVE automation by artificial intelligence. What if there was a new and a much better way of internet marketing? One where anybody can start making money and know that success is certain. Yes, a 100% success rate. The thing about ONPASSIVE is that as a reseller of the ONPASSIVE marketing tools, your income begins to grow the minute you get started and never stops. There are two ways of making use of the amazing online marketing tools of ONPASSIVE. By becoming a customer of ONPASSIVE. By becoming a reseller customer of ONPASSIVE. As a reseller, you are a promoter of ONPASSIVE, but don't worry about building lead capture pages, they are already built for you. Writing compelling follow-up emails, they are already written for you. The ever-daunting task of driving traffic to your capture pages, the system does that for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. ONPASSIVE is indeed a hands-free system that will generate sales for you for the rest of your life, while you sleep, sit at the beach drinking margaritas, travel the world, or are busy helping other people get to a better lifestyle. The fact is, the ONPASSIVE system generates an income for you to provide an ever-increasing amount of money, so you can increasingly enjoy living your life. There are 4 entry levels into ONPASSIVE which you can choose, depending on how quickly you want to start spending your earned money. The higher of an entry level you decide on, the faster your income will grow. The levels are as follows. 1. $25. This level gives you all the tools you need, but no traffic. Your team will however still start growing under you from the spillover of your sponsor. 2. $125. This level gives you access to more tools as well as traffic to start growing your team. 3. $250. This level gives you access to even more tools and even more traffic to grow your team faster. And 4. $500. When you are at this level, you are all in. Here you have unrestricted access to all of the fabulous marketing tools and even more traffic to help build your team and income at the fastest rate. Don't forget though, it doesn't matter which level you come in at, the system will automatically upgrade you until you are all in. Also, no matter what level you decide to get started with, each level must be paid. So going all in will cost $900. It is all up to you, how quickly you want to start using your earned commissions to go shopping, and how quickly you want to experience complete financial freedom. If you start in at the $25, the system will keep spending your commissions to upgrade you to higher levels until you are all in. At this point, you can start spending your available commissions. If you choose to go all in right at the start, you will quickly have available commissions to start spending and they will grow larger rapidly. Secure your financial future today. Thank you for watching.